Hello there, in this video I will guide you how to share your Canva link, and we're gonna share to everyone, okay? And it's very simple. First of all, you can click on this share button, then you can share with anyone with the link, and you have to make sure that you are using the Can View feature here. If you allow user to comment or edit, you can choose that as well. So now you can click on Can View, then click on this copy link, okay? And now I will go here to another web browser, and you can see this is how it looks. Okay, so you can see it looks like this. All right, and now for the other method, you can go and click on this public view link. You can click on that one, then click on create public view link, then you can just click on this copy link. And now I'll do the same thing. I'll go here and paste it here, and now you can see that it looks pretty different. It has this arrow that I can change like this. You can see that. And for this one, I prefer the first method because user can easily copy the prompts that I give them. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. This is Sydney from GoWithSydney.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you. Bye.